So it is Vlogmas Day 2 and I thought that I would show you guys a glam makeup look. I'm obviously not like a full-time beauty guru, so like this is not going to be the best, but I try my best and I really hope that you enjoy it and you try out this look. If you do, be sure to send me pictures. Let's get into the video. Hey guys, so I have already put on my foundation, which is kind of old, that's why it looks like that, and then my concealer. I think both of these are by CoverGirl, and they're super basic drugstore stuff. So I'm just gonna move on to my eyeshadow now. So I'm gonna zoom in so you guys can see it. Okay, that's better. So I'm going to be using my Christmas in New York Chocolate Shop Too Faced palette. I've used this in my tutorials before. I just love it so much. And then I'm going to be using this brush and taking the color Glaze right here and using that as a base. Then I'm going to be taking Toffee Crunch, which is this one right here, and I'm going to be going into my crease with that. This again is just part of the base. And I'm going in with Ginger Doodle, which is this one right here. Obviously I use that one like every day because it's almost gone. And I'm going over this. And then I'm taking Honey Dip, which is the other one that I'm almost out of. I think we're sensing a pattern here. And I'm just going to go halfway across my lid and in my crease. Then I'm taking Butterscotch, finally one that I still have a lot of, right here. It's like a coppery orange, and I'm using this one just in the outside of my crease. And as you can see, it's kind of, this is a little bit of Honey Dip and a little bit of Butterscotch, right? Yeah, and it just kind of overflows under my eye. I leave it there because I really like it. I think it looks pretty. And then I'm going to be taking Tootsie. It's just a dark brown. I just take a tiny bit of this and go into my outer crease. Then lastly, I'm going to be taking my blush. It's called Dream Bouncy Blush. There we go. It's kind of covered in stuff because it's really old, but it's a red color. I'm going to be using this as my blush as well. Yeah, it's covered in gold, but it's actually a really pretty color. Let me see if I can find it under there. Yeah, this is what it looks like when it's not covered in red gold. So I'm going to be taking that and I'm just going to be going over my whole crease, and this is just going to add a little bit more of that Christmassy look. A little bit under. I don't usually do a ton since it's red, but I stay close to the lash line. And that's all we're doing for our eyeshadow. So I'm gonna go do my other eye real quick. Okay, so once you do that and you blend it all out the way that you like it, we are going to be doing eyeliner. I just use the classic e.l.f. eyeliner because it works. I mean, it's the same one I've used since like freshman year. So yeah, let's get another close-up and see if I can do this like this. We'll see. Okay, I don't know if I can do this on camera, so pray for me, honestly. Yeah, no, I can't do it. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. This is what my eyeliner looks like. I don't have anything else on, so it looks kind of weird. I like my eyeliner to be really big and dramatic, especially when I'm doing like glam looks. But honestly, you could just do it whatever makes you happiest, like whatever makes you feel like yourself the most. Just because like eyeliner, I feel like eyeliner is a really personal thing. Like I change my eyeliner all the time depending on how I'm feeling. So if you don't like the big glam look, do something smaller. I just definitely think that it adds to the look in a really cool, glam, dramatic way. So next I'm going to be taking a white eyeliner pen. I think I got this from Walmart like 3 years ago, and it's still hanging on. So, I mean, we're really stretching here. Okay. And I'm just taking that and putting it on my tight line. And I don't put a ton, I just put enough that it makes your eyes pop and you don't look as tired. And I think it really adds to the look. Next, I'm going to be taking my Pumped Up Colossal Maybelline Mascara, another Walmart pickup, and I'm just going to be putting that on my eyes. Nothing too fancy here. I used to do a lot to my eyelashes, like curl them or wear fake ones, but I found in the end that it just hurt them more than it helped them. So now I don't, but again, if you want to do that, that's your prerogative, girl. You just make this look your own. Okay, after that, your eyes are done. So we are going to zoom back out just a little bit. And now we are going to be focusing on our eyebrows. So as you guys know, I just dyed my hair, so I don't have like official eyebrow stuff for it yet. So I've just been using Toffee Crunch. Was that? Nope. I've just been using Toffee Crunch to do my eyebrows, and it actually works really well. Obviously it's not as perfect, but I mean, I think that it almost looks better because it looks a little bit more natural and less forced. And I'm just taking this little brush to do it, and I literally just brush it through it. I don't do anything else because I've found that if I try and do more, it just doesn't help. Okay, so obviously there's a big difference in these two, so let's fix this one. That is my completed eyebrows. All I did was brush this through, and that's that. So now we're going to move on to the face. Okay, first I'm bronzing because I always do. I just feel like I have to. I'm going to be using the lighter color that I'm almost out of. Sad. And I'm going to be using my little brush, and I'm just going to bronze. Okay, my card got full again, but I'm back. The only thing left to bronze is my nose. And then we're going to be moving on to blush. This is the same exact blush that I used on my eyes. I'm just taking my big fluffy blush brush, and dab that on. I don't like it to be super noticeable, so I like to kind of rub it in and make it look a little bit more natural. And I'm going to be taking my highlighter, which is the infamous Becca highlighter that everyone has, I feel like. I've had mine for like 2 years and I still am all for it. I'm going to be taking the highlighter side in Champagne and just putting a little bit on. I like to add a tiny bit to my forehead. I don't re-dip my brush. I just take whatever's left. It's a little beauty hack. Okay, and we only have one more thing to do. Okay, so next is my lips. I'm going to be taking this Clinique red lipstick that I got just in like a pack from them, and then this Victoria's Secret Sparkles lip gloss. Because, I mean, what is a holiday look without red lipstick, am I right? So I'm just going to put that on. Okay, then the lip gloss. I really like this lip gloss because it makes it like a little bit darker. And I don't know, it smells really good. And it looks really pretty, I feel like. Okay, so that is the completed look. This is what it looks like. It does not take long at all. And it's super pretty. And I feel like it works really well with green eyes because of all the copper tones, which is what I have. So yeah, leave a comment telling me where you would wear this look. And I'm going to be picking my favorite comment and putting it in this video. My favorite comment from my last video is this one right here. Yay! And so yeah, subscribe and like if you want. It really helps out my channel. If you want to see what I'm doing between uploads, there's the links in the descriptions to my social media. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys. So I heard you found somebody else. Leave a comment. Next I'm going to be taking my Pumped Up Colossal Maybelline, what's this called?